Here at DDIN, we believe that having the right tools is essential to fulfilling your potential. We've created a brand new instrument of design for daily life. Introducing the Exlicon Magnetic Pen. Following the success of the Exlicon, we decided to create a pen with the same ingenuity. Ergonomic triangular design. Magnetic cap that automatically reattaches to the pen. The pen's design is formulated to provide unbeatable comfort during use. At DDIN, we made it our mission to design an ergonomic triangular design tool that reduces hand fatigue. With the Exlicon Magnetic Pen, writing and designing has never felt more comfortable. And thanks to the 3 edges of the pen's design, the Exlicon Magnetic Pen is anti-roll. We knew that the pen we designed had to have a magnetic tip. We wanted tip replacement to be instant and effortless to preserve the quality of your pen. The interior of the Exlicon Magnetic Pen is switchable, so you can refill your pen with different ink colors and nibs, depending on what you require from your design tool. What's more, you can replace common ink or gel cartridges with a hobby cutter tool to enjoy the same precision from your knife as you would your pen. Just as easily, you can transform the tool back into a pen to continue with your design. Whether you're designing or writing, the ergonomic design of the Exlicon Magnetic Pen promises stability and quality results. Crafted from aluminium, the Exlicon Magnetic Pen isn't just a high-quality tool, it's made from the most durable material to withstand the test of time, so you can use your pen forever. Our precision design is executed with CNC machining, allowing us to create our premium writing, designing and cutting tool. But we can't make it without you. We've been able to design and create a myriad of tools that have transformed the world of design. Just like before, we need your support to bring the Exlicon Magnetic Pen to life. Thank you.